Hi, this is Dave Grega, consulting winemaker based in the Napa Valley, and this is another small short video that's designed to plant a seed about the general broad idea or philosophy of wine tasting called personas that I've developed. And this is going to explore a little bit about the actual experience of tasting. So as you're smelling a wine, or you're looking at a wine, smelling it, and then tasting it, when we're trying to get more serious, when we're trying to develop our ability to smell and taste and analyze wine for ourselves and then to share that with others in a more articulate, professional, meaningful, and dynamic way, we tend to go straight into the logical side of the coin, the structured side of the coin. We try to identify smells and tastes and aromas and textures and structures within the wine, acid, tannin, etc. Because that's what the pros do. That's what the pros are so good at, describing a wine in that way. And that's not wrong. But what I'm going to invite you to do, and what the mechanism of personas in wine tasting allows you to do, is to put that on the back burner and allow that to come to you in a more organic way. And you do that by, instead of trying to put your nose into a glass and smell the strawberry, black cherry, or discern what kind of herb that is, or what's that weird smell, or what's that thing, and how can I describe it in a very articulate, specific way, table that idea. Instead, smell the wine and pay attention to how you feel, not the specific flavor or aroma. Pay attention to how you feel. Taste the wine and pay attention to how you feel, not the specific texture, acid level, tannin. But beyond those specifics, into the place of feeling. What is that feeling like? Can you describe that feeling? If you can't, investigate that first. Don't think about the taste, the aroma, the tannin, the smell, the secondary flavors, the tertiary flavors. Instead, really start working on going into that feeling and understanding what that feeling means to you. And then from that place, use the idea of a persona to build a picture and an image that's very vivid and real of that wine, as if it were a person, and that these feelings are feelings that a person is giving you. Now, what does that mean to you? And what does that say about that person? Because the same thing it says about the person is what it says about the wine, because there is no difference. The wine is a living thing and a person is a living thing. And if we can understand wine in the same way that we understand and experience people, we can come from a place of confidence and knowing and wisdom instantly. We don't have to get a Master of Wine diploma or a Master Sommelier diploma to be a world-class expert in that arena. We already are. We do it every single day. This enriches our experience of tasting wine, and it helps us relate that experience to others in a way that they can resonate with it and that they can take it and make it into their own, which is beautiful. It's a win-win situation. So explore that idea. Let that be something to think about. Cheers.